It's gonna be really dark. 4th of July 2025. Yay! No, it is. It's like probably closer to 9 a.m. right now. Whoa! Oh my God! Really? Amazon!
Go upstairs. I'm going hard.
I just got 3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen, start your engine!
We got going on. Look at Vita, one of these. Oh my goodness, look, the red, white, and orange.
Olivia.
What's going on in here?
On this show,
Yep.
one of the bathing suits is a butterfly. Looks sick. Gotta see it. You can pull
Say
up.
hi, Vita. You look so good. Hi.
Oh wait, go back.
Go back. What's up, Jess?
My Pepsi.
Babe, red alert. I
There's
need you to
Casey.
be.
Hello.
Are we redoing what we just said? You need to be on red alert. This bathing suit is like a butterfly.
Are
Get
people
ready
gonna
for
be
the
ready in 15?
Yes. You look so good. Yes. Happy 4th of July! 4th of July!
I'm just being responsible and keeping up with my credit score over here. I'll get the friggin' Bud Light can.
I know she like.
Be here for
Wait.
So we're good. Woo!
Oh, why is the camera always on me?
Go get the generator. Go get the generator. I hear a heartbeat. Hurry! He's coming! Yo, it's about to be the best night of our lives and no one even knows it yet. No one feels it. But it's 4th of July in Cape Cod. Like what? Fireworks are sparking. You hear that? I hear a good time.
Pan over to me.
Exactly. Yo, listen, this is the before. Then, boom, 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 $30 later. Now look at him now.
What do you keep doing this for? I'm not doing that.
Okay, well.